everyone. Welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast where you learn English for real life. If you're new here, my name is Mia.
And I'm Leo. Today we have a very funny and a little bit painful story. It's about Secret Santa at work and some very awkward gifts.
Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who also wants to learn English. It really helps our small channel grow.
And if you like funny office stories, this one is for you. Let's talk about Secret Santa with coworkers and the most embarrassing presents.
So imagine this. It's December. It's cold outside. Everyone at the office is tired and wants holidays.
But the manager says, let's do something fun. Let's have a Secret Santa.
Secret Santa is when you write all the names of the people in the office on small pieces of paper. Then everyone takes one paper. The name on the paper is the person you must buy a gift for, but it's a secret.
And usually there is a price limit, like maximum $10 or maximum 10 euros. So it's not a big expensive gift. It's something small and fun.
The thing is, with coworkers, Secret Santa can be very awkward. Because sometimes you don't really know the person. You see them at the printer, you say good morning, and that's all.
Exactly. You know nothing about their hobbies, their favorite color, or if they like cats or dogs. But you must buy them a gift. So what do people do? They guess.
And when people guess, people make mistakes. Big mistakes. For example, my first Secret Santa at work was a disaster.
Oh, I want to hear this. Tell us everything.
Okay. So, at my old job, our manager loved Christmas. She had Christmas lights on her desk, Christmas socks, Christmas earrings, everything. So, of course, she organized Secret Santa.
How many people were in the office?
Around 20. So we all wrote our names on paper. We put the papers in a hat, and one by one we took a paper. I opened mine, and I saw the name Oliver.
And who was Oliver?
Good question. I didn't know. I only knew he was the IT guy. He fixed computers. He was very quiet. He always wore headphones. That's all.
So you got the mystery man.
Yes. I had 2 weeks to buy the gift. So I started to watch him, but not in a creepy way. At least, I hope not.
How did you watch him?
At lunch, I looked at what he ate. One day it was salad. Next day, pasta. Next day, curry. No information.
No clue about a hobby.
Then I looked at his desk. No photos. No plants. Only 2 screens, a keyboard, and a coffee mug that said, 404, coffee not found.
Okay, that's something. A tech joke.
Exactly. I thought, he likes computers. Maybe he likes funny tech things. So I decided to buy him a gift that was creative.
When someone says, creative gift, I get nervous.
You are right to be nervous. I went to a shop and I found a small USB vacuum cleaner.
A what?
A tiny vacuum cleaner. You connect it to your computer with a USB cable, and you can clean your keyboard.
Oh no.
Yes. I thought it was cute. Little did I know it was a terrible idea.
Wait, why terrible? It sounds kind of useful.
You think so? But listen to the situation. At the office, Oliver already had a very clean desk, no dust, perfect order. When I gave him a vacuum cleaner for his keyboard, it looked like I was saying, "Your desk is dirty."
Oh no, that is so awkward. So how did the Secret Santa event work?
On the last Friday before Christmas, we all went to the meeting room. There was a small Christmas tree. All the gifts were under the tree with names on them. We had snacks and music. And one by one, people opened their presents in front of everyone.
Classic office party?
Yes. So people started. One person got funny socks. Someone else got a book about cooking. Another got a plant. Everyone said, "Wow," and "Nice." Then it was Oliver's turn.
I can feel the tension.
The manager said, "Oliver, your turn." He walked to the tree, picked up his gift, and sat down. He opened it. He looked at the USB vacuum cleaner in his hand.
And?
Silence. Totally silent.
Did he at least smile?
He tried. He said, "Oh, a vacuum cleaner for my keyboard. That's very practical."
Ouch.
Then one of our coworkers said loud, "Ha ha, someone thinks your desk is dirty, Oliver," and everybody laughed.
No, no, no.
I wanted to disappear. I felt my face become red. I thought, he will hate this gift. He will hate me. I am the worst Secret Santa in history.
Did he know it was you?
No, it was secret. But at that moment, I almost wanted to say, "Sorry, it's me."
So what happened after?
The next week, I walked past his desk and I saw the USB vacuum cleaner.
In the drawer?
No, connected to his computer. He was actually using it.
Wait, really?
Yes. He said, "This is actually very useful. Thank you, mysterious person." And then he looked at me for 2 seconds, like he knew.
Maybe he guessed.
Maybe. But the point is, sometimes a gift feels awkward at first, but it can still be useful, and that makes it okay.
That's true. But some gifts are just bad. I have a story too.
I'm ready.
So at my old job, we also had a Secret Santa with coworkers. And we had a $10 limit. The rule was, buy something nice but not too personal.
Simple rule. Did people follow it?
Not really. One of my coworkers, Anna, received deodorant.
Oh no.
Yes, a big spray deodorant, plus a little perfume. In a gift bag. Everyone saw it.
That's so rude. That's like saying, "You smell bad."
Exactly. And the worst thing, someone whispered, "Wow, that's a strong message."
That is not a gift. That is passive-aggressive communication.
And Anna tried to be polite. She said, "Oh, thank you. Very useful." But you could see on her face that she was not happy.
I understand her. Personal hygiene products are very dangerous gifts. Soap, deodorant, toothbrush, no, no, no.
Yes, even if you think everyone uses this, it can sound like a criticism.
So what are safer gifts for Secret Santa at work?
Good question. Let's make a small list so our listeners can learn some vocabulary and also survive office parties.
Okay, here are some safe options for Secret Santa gifts with coworkers. A nice mug. People love mugs for coffee or tea.
A small plant, like a cactus or a succulent.
A notebook or a cute planner.
Pens or colorful markers.
A funny calendar for the new year.
Chocolate or cookies. Food is always a good idea, unless the person has allergies.
These are all simple and neutral. Not too personal, not rude.
Exactly. Now let's talk about awkward gifts again, because they are more fun.
Of course.
In my office, one year, my Secret Santa gave me a book called How to Be More Confident.
Wait, what?
Yes, a self-help book, and on the cover it said, "Stop being shy."
That is so direct. Did they think you were shy?
Maybe. I was quiet in meetings, I didn't talk a lot, but still, it felt weird.
That kind of gift feels like, you are not good enough. Here, fix yourself.
Exactly. So, pro tip for Secret Santa. No self-help books, no diet books, no exercise equipment, no things that suggest you must change.
I agree. No. How to lose weight fast? No. 30 days to a flat stomach. Very awkward.
By the way, did you ever get a gift that was completely random?
Yes. One year, I got a big plastic banana.
A banana?
Yes, a fake banana. Yellow, shiny, plastic, almost the size of my arm.
Why?
I have no idea. There was no note, just the banana. I opened the bag, took it out, and the whole room went quiet for 3 seconds. Then someone said, "Is it art?"
Maybe it was modern art. Very deep.
I just stood there, holding this banana, thinking, what do I say? So I said, "Thank you. I always wanted this."
Did you keep it?
Yes. I put it on my desk. It became my office banana. People came to my desk and asked, "Why do you have this?" And I said, "Secret Santa."
So the weird gift became a conversation starter.
Exactly. And that's actually a good thing about Secret Santa. Even when the gift is strange, you get a story.
True, and our listeners get vocabulary.
Speaking of vocabulary, let's quickly explain some useful words from our stories.
Good idea. First word, awkward. Awkward means uncomfortable, strange, or embarrassing.
For example, getting deodorant from your coworker is very awkward.
Next word, coworker. A coworker is a person who works with you in the same company or office.
Another word, gift and present. They are the same. Something you give to someone, usually for a special occasion.
Secret Santa is the game where you give a gift to a person, but your name is secret.
Price limit means the maximum price you can spend on the gift.
Another useful phrase, passive-aggressive. This means you are angry or critical, but you don't say it directly. You show it in a hidden way.
For example, giving deodorant as a gift can be passive-aggressive.
Also, Self-Help Book is a book that helps you improve your life, your confidence, your habits, and so on.
And conversation starter is something that helps people start talking. For example, a big plastic banana on your desk is a conversation starter.
Perfect. Now, let's go back to the Secret Santa party. Imagine you are at the office. It's gift exchange time. What kind of things do people say in English?
They say things like, "Who's next?" "Open it." "What did you get?"
Also, "This is from your Secret Santa," or "I hope you like it."
And people who receive a gift usually say, "Thank you so much." "This is great," or "I love it."
Even when the gift is not great.
Yes. In English, we are often very polite about gifts. Even if we don't like it, we usually don't say, "This is terrible."
Instead, we say something neutral like, "Oh, this is interesting," or "How funny."
Or "very useful," like Oliver with the vacuum cleaner.
Exactly. So for our listeners, here are some useful phrases you can use when you receive a gift at work.
"Thank you so much. That's really kind of you."
Wow, this is so funny.
This will be very useful at work.
I didn't expect this. Thank you.
These phrases are safe. You sound polite, even if the gift is a bit strange.
Now, what about buying a gift? Maybe our listeners are thinking, how can I choose a good gift for a coworker?
Good point. Let's give a simple strategy.
Step 1, think about the office, not the person's private life. Ask yourself, what can they use at work?
For example, a mug for coffee at work, a notebook for work notes, a pen, a plant for their desk.
Step 2, keep it neutral. No strong perfume, no joke about their body or personality.
Step 3. If you are not sure, food is usually safe. Chocolate, cookies, candy.
And step 4, if your company has a culture of funny gifts, then you can choose something silly but not mean.
For example, a funny mug with a joke like, "Monday is canceled," or "socks with tacos on them."
Silly but not rude. That's the rule.
Let's imagine a mini dialogue at the office, Secret Santa. I'll be the person giving the gift, and you can be the person receiving it.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, this is from your Secret Santa. I hope you like it.
Thank you. Let's see. Oh, wow, a coffee mug. This is perfect. I drink coffee every morning.
I'm glad you like it.
Simple, polite, friendly.
Yes, you don't need complicated sentences to sound nice.
Another little detail. When you give a gift, you can also say why you chose it. For example, I know you like plants, so I thought this would be nice for your desk.
Or, you always bring snacks, so I thought you might enjoy this chocolate.
That makes the gift feel more personal in a good way.
Now, to finish, let's share one more awkward gift story. Do you have another one, Leo?
Actually, yes. One year, my coworker got a giant, bright pink unicorn notebook.
That sounds amazing.
The problem was, he was the very serious finance guy, always in a suit, always talking about numbers.
So a very serious person with a very not serious notebook.
Exactly. When he opened it, everyone waited. And he said, very serious, I will use this for very important meetings.
That is perfect.
And he really did. He brought the unicorn notebook to serious meetings with clients. He took notes with a straight face.
That's beautiful. He made the awkward gift into something fun.
And that is maybe the best way to survive Secret Santa with coworkers have a sense of humor.
And remember that it's not about the perfect present. It's about having fun together and ending the year with a good memory.
Exactly. So what did we learn today?
We learned vocabulary like awkward, coworker, Secret Santa, price limit, passive-aggressive, self-help book, and conversation starter.
We learned some polite phrases to use when you receive a gift, like, thank you so much. This will be very useful. And I didn't expect this.
We learned ideas for safe Secret Santa gifts. Mugs, plants, notebooks, pens, calendars, chocolate.
And we learned what not to give. Deodorant, very personal gifts, self-help books about problems, and anything that says you must change.
Now, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments. What is the most awkward or funny gift you have received at work or at school?
Use simple English. It's great practice, and we love reading your stories.
If this episode helped you learn English and made you smile, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with your friends.
You can also send this to a coworker before your next Secret Santa, so they don't buy something embarrassing.
Thank you for spending this time with us and for practicing your English today.
We're proud of you for learning, even with crazy office bananas and USB vacuum cleaners.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye for now, and good luck with your Secret Santa.
Bye-bye.